Now we will demonstrate a crosscut technique utilizing this sliding table. For this again, I have to leave it for a moment, start up the machine, and please pay attention. Always wear your safety glasses. And there you are. There is your cut-off technique. Remember what I told you before. Never, under any circumstances, you cut the wood against the fence. Always utilize the cut-off table, or sliding table. Thank you.